Hey guys, now I received the email from Voyager, now letting you know. It says, "Dear Eamon," that's my name. The Voyager app is now open for crypto to transfer for the approved 30 days. So if you do have Voyager, I know a lot of you guys are familiar with it, with the Three Arrows Capital, the deal with FTX didn't go through, with Binance didn't go through. So now they actually have the app up and running. And let's if we go to the app, it didn't allow you to transfer your crypto, but now you can. As you can show, it shows your initial recovery, the initial amount that you particularly have. You only would get the first initial recovery is 35%. We may get more, we may not, we don't know, but it definitely, here it is. It allows you to get your crypto. What you would just end up doing when you click on one. Actually, let me click on. Actually, go to my account. Oops, not my account, but all right, so let's click on one. This is, once you click on it, this is what you'll see. Before you continue, double click that you entered the correct address for receiving wallets. Now initially, I'm gonna go back for a minute. Initially, I just wanted to sell it, all my crypto in US dollars, and just buy it on a different platform. However, it only allows you to transfer your crypto to a different wallet. Just the 30-day window for crypto transfers is now open. So you're only allowed to transfer. I wish they let you be able to sell it and then, transfer the money back to your bank, because I just would prefer to buy it on a completely different platform. But nevertheless, so when you click on it, this is what you'll see. It says, "Before you continue, double check that you have entered the correct address for the receiving wallet, and you have confirmed that the receiving wallet is compatible with the crypto you are requesting to transfer." It says that you are aware or responsible for applicable transaction fees charged in connection with your requested transfer. Please note that all terms of the crypto transfer disclaimer to which you've previously agreed to. So this is in the continue. And then that's when you would end up, and at the bottom they have send all, so you can actually enter the amount, and it shows you the fees as well. So when you hit send all, and then you end up swiping, of course you have to, at the top it says tap to paste Bitcoin address. So you end up tapping that, and then you would end up doing it with the barcode. So to tap to paste the Bitcoin address. Now, guys, I just wanted to record this video relatively quickly, because now you do have access to transfer your crypto. You get about 35%, as you can see, for the initial the initial one was 35%. So you can see the amount that I had, about 3,200. Now the initial recovery is now 1,174. You guys, it looks like it was a success. I just end up transferring the Bitcoin to my Coinbase. What I end up doing, I'll demonstrate how I did it. You can either do it two ways, by the barcode, or you can just cut and paste the address that you want to transfer it to. Remember, you have to trade Bitcoin wallet to the Bitcoin, Ethereum to Ethereum wallet. So what end up happening, this is what you'll end up seeing. I already kind of went over this before. You hit continue. Now you can literally, right here, you look at the top where it says to, it says to tap to paste Ethereum address. So the address, you can just cut and paste it to the two. Right next to the two. This is where you would just cut and paste your address, and then you can hit send all, cut in, and so whatever, copy your address, your crypto address, copy, paste, and then you will end up sliding it over. So that's particularly how you do it. So with all this foolishness, I would do it as soon as possible, while you can. And that is particularly how you do it. So you can do it by the barcode or cut and paste. I tried the barcode, but for some reason the barcode didn't work for me. So I just cut and paste. Make sure the wallet you cut and paste it right to the right wallet. So and apparently you have to do it for each one. You can't do it all at once. If you got any questions or concerns, just let me know. Guys, I end up transferring all of the crypto to my Coinbase. If you want to see what will happen right now, it says pending for all of them. But if you go to account and transaction history, it shows that all of the ones that I end up transferring, they all say pending. And I'll probably give you an update to let you know when everything says it's successful. But right now it's saying it's all pending.